Hello and welcome to News 9. I'm Nishtita, and first up, the big news just coming in. BMTC officials stage protest against depot manager's alleged harassment in Nelamangala. Drivers and conductors up in arms against alleged harassment by depot manager. Angry employees vent their ire on the depot security manager. Incident at BMTC depot number 40 in Nelamangala. This is the big news that we're bringing to you. My colleague Nolan joins us with the latest details. Well, Nolan, what more can you tell us?
Well, it's pretty simple. Now, this problem was not there for the past 20-odd days. It started then when a new depot manager known as, his name is Natraj, he came in there. Now, we are told that he let the security in charge manager, Nagraj, on basically a loose leash to do whatever he wants. Now, the employees over there at depot number 40 in Nelamangala have stated that their salaries have been targeted, basically cut for the simplest reasons, that they've come late, they have not followed the actual kilometer process. So basically, for any simple, silly reason, their salaries have been cut up to about 5,000 or 6,000 rupees a month. Now, this has not gone down too well with the employees. They decided enough is enough, so they protested. While they were protesting, Nagraj, the secretary in charge, whom they actually have a problem with, came out. He started to talk to them. An argument ensued, and that's when they decided, let's leave everything. Let's vent our ire on him. And we are told that they sort of slapped him, assaulted him. Not too much where there's a necessity of him being sent to the hospital, but they did push him around. Furthermore, we're told that a case has been filed, but the seniors in BMTC have stated that they will try and solve this problem internally instead of it actually getting out. Now, these are the visuals that you can clearly see over here, where the employees are extremely angry with what has happened because, again, we must remember they're not being paid that well, and for the silliest of reasons, their salaries were cut. They decided that enough is enough, and that's why they protested.
That's right, Nolan. Stay with us on the phone line. We'll come back to you for more details. Well, this was the chaos that ensued. Well, Varghese, Nolan, now coming back to you. We saw some high-octane scenes here. We are seeing them beat up each other. What exactly is the BMTC doing to defuse the situation?
Well, as of now, we are told that a case has been filed, but the BMTC higher-ups have stated that they will try and solve this case internally instead of actually letting the police look into this. But we do not know what action will be taken against that particular BMTC employee who actually slapped the secretary in charge. Now, no matter what's the problem, one can't lift your hand up. That's one of the rules. You can talk it, you can have a discussion or a dialogue, but not use brute force. And now that's what's happened there. The BMTC top bosses are tight-lipped on what action will be taken against him, whether he'll be suspended, whether he'll be thrown out of service, because he was the only one who did this. The rest of the protesters shouted, yelled, abused. It was total chaos over there, but he was the only one who lifted his hands. So that's left to be seen. But as of now, the top bosses in the BMTC state that they will look into this internally.
But also, what does the depot manager in question have to say? Has he reached the spot? Is he trying to hold talks with these angry drivers and conductors?
He is there itself. He did not come out. Now, the problem is that 20 days hence, or before 20 days, he was not there. He's a new person in this particular depot. He's the new depot manager, Natraj. Now, we're told that he allowed Nagraj, the secretary in charge, who actually got a whacking on his face today, one tight slap, if one could call it, free to do whatever he wanted. So these people want both to be changed, the depot manager as well as the secretary in charge. They said that there was no trouble earlier, but the old depot manager was in charge of depot number 40 of BMTC in Nelamangala, and that the secretary in charge was kept under control. But once the new depot manager came, he let the secretary in charge do whatever he wants, which actually led to many employees of KSRTC depot number 40 losing their salary, or basically having huge cuts in their salary for the silliest of reasons. Furthermore, as of now, we are told that residents in Nelamangala are facing trouble because all the buses are parked inside the depot. No buses are moving, especially those which are moving from Nelamangala to Bengaluru city.
Right. Thank you, Nolan, for joining us with all those details. these are the scenes being witnessed at the Nelamangala bus depot. A case has been registered at the Madanayakanahalli police station, but this was the kind of anger that was vented out by drivers and conductors who were unhappy with the new bus depot manager who had allegedly harassed these drivers and conductors by cutting their pay for every petty reason.